Hey guys, I'm super excited to share with you my new project. I built a custom stool to match my woodwork bench. A lot of people have been making comments on my videos saying that I'm really more of an artist than a woodworker. And so I thought maybe I should explore this a little bit more and try and get in touch with my inner artist. So I've included some different forms of expression in this video. So I hope you'll have an open mind and just enjoy my art. Hi guys, I really hope that video just filled your aura with never-ending white light, you know? Oh, sorry, I think I might have blacked out there. Just kidding, I really don't care what you thought of the video. I had an awesome time making it, so if you did like it, hit that like button. And for all you woodworkers out there, my favorite tools for this project were, oh my gosh, love this mallet. It's like this dense rubber on here. You can just pound a piece of hardwood with it. Doesn't wreck the wood, and it really has some kick. So get one of these. I've got these hand carved mallets that I made, and I don't even really use them that much because this is so awesome. Okay. The other tool, hold fast. If you don't have a workbench with 3/4 holes for hold fasts, like get some of these. Your life will just never be the same. I was using these for pretty much everything on this project. Trying to clamp stuff down with a clamp, just forget about it. You know, you just drop this thing in the hole like that. Yeah. Rock solid. Piece isn't going anywhere. So get a couple of those. All these tools will be linked up in the corner in the description box below. Little samurai hack for the hold fast. Instead of putting a little piece of wood underneath it every time, just contact cement a thick piece of leather on there, and it adds extra grip, and it won't mar your work at all, and saves you a ton of time. Other tool would be this, a nice, sharp Iwasaki, made in Japan wood file. This thing just cuts like a mother and doesn't clog up that easily. It's a great file. It doesn't have teeth on the side, so you can really get right into corners and up on your shoulders and stuff like that. And this bad boy 9.5-inch Dozuki saw. The blade is so thin, and I was using it for at least one part of like every joint in that stool. So if you don't have a Dozuki saw, just bless yourself and get one, okay? Wood finish I used for this project would be this circa 1850 tung oil. I think there's some like mineral spirits in here, so it's not like 100% like natural, organic or whatever, but it's still a really natural, nice finish, so I like it. Oh yeah, and if you're not subscribed, please just stop punishing yourself. You don't deserve it. Just hit that subscribe button and just like watch your life get so much better. Okay? Okay. Till next time, guys. Samurai out.